Hello, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Today we are diving into a new and very exciting indicator called the DSL Oscillator, as suggested by one of our amazing subscribers. This indicator is unique because it combines different trading elements to give us a more precise view of price action. I will show you how to use it and also test it across 4,000 trades to uncover its true profitability. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type DSL Oscillator and you will find this option by Big Beluga that you can use. But in my case, I will use a slightly different version of this indicator I coded myself, which makes the buy and sell signals more clear on the chart. This indicator is not published on TradingView, but you can also use it and without any costs. You just need to simply join my free Discord community, the link is on the description, head over to the free materials channel and there you will find the code of my DSL oscillator. Open up the node, copy the code and then on TradingView charts, click on the Pine editor, then on Open, select New Indicator and then just paste the code and save it. Finally, click on the Add to Chart option and that's it. Now you have my DSL oscillator on your charts. By definition, the DSL, which stands for Discontinued Signal Line, is a trading oscillator that combines the RSI, the Adaptive Discontinued Signal Lines, and the Zero-Lag Exponential Moving Average to provide highly accurate trend, momentum and reversal signals. This indicator stands out because it reduces lag thanks to its unique smoothing system, making it a reliable tool to provide buy and sell signals. The DSL oscillator is displayed as a histogram and it is very intuitive to be used. When these green dots appear, it means it is a good time to enter in a long position, and the opposite goes for these red dots. In addition, this indicator also displays the entry signals on your charts, so you can be sure when to enter in a new position. By default, it uses a length of 10 and this fast option, which will be the settings I will use for today's analysis. However, you can change this mode to slow if you want to turn the signals even smoother. The only downside is that you can lose some good market opportunities. But, of course, to discover if the DSL oscillator is really efficient or not, we will need to backtest it. To do this, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding the technical system, in addition to the DSL oscillator, I will also use a 200-period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here we have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. The only difference is that for today's backtest, I will not use any fixed take profit level, as I will only exit from a position whenever an opposite signal is printed by the indicator. That means I will only exit from a long position if a sell signal is printed, and I will only exit from a short position if a buy signal is printed on my charts. And finally, regarding the testing conditions, we will backtest the indicator on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. To speed up the backtesting process, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. If you are not familiar with this tool, it allows me to test endless combinations of indicators and strategies quickly, simply and efficiently. With a selection of 70 indicators and ongoing additions, it offers a flexible platform for traders. Joining me, over 150 traders currently use this tool with outstanding feedback. For more details, click on the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the DSL Oscillator with the default settings, the 200 period EMA for baseline and the right risk management rules, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts with a respective stop loss and exit point, and it is quite precise as you can see. Besides that, it also provides the monthly results here in this table and the overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. Since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create the trading journals. I'll see you in a minute. While you watch the backtest, let me introduce you to TraderEdge. If Excel backtesting feels tedious and difficult, TraderEdge is your ideal solution. Simple, fast and efficient, it automatically analyzes your strategy results in both backtest and forward test modes. For a limited time, they are offering over $1,400 worth of free courses and trading strategies upon sign-up. Includes a beginner-friendly course, 4 unique strategies with indicators, rules and results, and a comprehensive backtesting guide. With a 5-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's a risk-free opportunity. Click on the link in the description below and try TraderEdge today. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 4,000 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute one, after more than 2,200 trades, the DSL Oscillator got a small win rate of 34%, but a substantial net profit of 324%, and this happened due to its average risk-to-reward ratio, which was above 2. In this table, you can analyze the results of every single asset, where only the XRP and the S&P 500 index had bad results, with big drawdown values. And this was something that affected the equity chart, which, despite having an increasing trend, had big drawdown moments. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, after almost 1,700 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate close to 40% and a net profit of 300%, which was a solid return. Here you can find other important metrics like the average risk-to-reward ratio and the Sharpe ratio, and the results from every asset, where you can see that, with the exception of XRP, all of our assets had great results, being the Bitcoin the best one. Below, you can find the final equity curve, which was highly consistent for a simple strategy like this one. These 2 drawdown periods can be easily fixed by adding a volume or a filter indicator to this system. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 67 trades, the indicator achieved decent results as well. Overall, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple timeframes and assets, it is clear that the DSL Oscillator is really an indicator with a lot of potential and great for some assets like Bitcoin and gold. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. In our ranking sheet, after taking into account all the results, I believe the DSL Oscillator Fair Place is here, which is a decent spot. Of course, the win rates were low, but the risk-reward was much higher than our average, and as such, we have to take all of this into concern. Not to mention that this indicator was profitable in the 3 different timeframes. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. I remind you that you can access this document through the first comment down below. On this first page, you will find this table with the ranking of the indicators tested in this series, and on this other page, you will find the results of some of the strategies we have already tested on the channel. Also, if you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. By the way, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me, to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website algotradepro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as zero commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.